Hi there, this is the Personal Leadership Portfolio Cumulative Video Synthesis for the course HROB 2010. And I'm Daniel, and I'm a third-year student major in Marketing Management program. And today I'm going to talk about three topics with you about leadership. First one, cross-cultural leadership. Second one, gender in leadership. Third one, transformational leadership. And the reason why I picked these three topics is because I think they're really related to me since I'm an international student. So I know the different culture in Eastern country and Western country. So let's see the first one. So first one is cross-cultural leadership. Nowadays, the world is a globalized market, and being an effective leader, we have to know the way how to communicate and motivate the others. And there are many different leadership styles across culture, such as paternalistic leadership, transformational and transactional leadership. And here's a picture showing the cultural difference between the Eastern culture and the Western culture. The red side is representing the Eastern culture, and the blue side is representing the Western culture. The leadership in the Eastern culture, leader is more like the only person who leads the rest of the people, and the leadership in the Western culture, leader and followers they work together, they work as a team, and in this case, the way to communicate between the leader and the followers will be different. And the way to communicate in Eastern culture is more like by commanding. And the way to communicate in Western culture is more like by discussing and talking about the problems together. And I think the cultural difference is also related to the difference of political background, like communism and democracy. Secondly, I'm going to talk about the gender in leadership. I think this concept is also related to the cultural difference as well. In Asian countries, women have less power and they have less achievement in leadership. Back to the last generation, like my parents' generation, my mom did not get as much as education like my dad did. But that's the reason why in Asian country like Hong Kong and China, men are still the majority lead in the society. But in 21st century, the world is improving and changing. Women in Eastern country, they start fighting for what they deserve and what they want, and they start to speak up. But they are still fighting for some basic things like freedom and education. Men and women are equal. We shouldn't have any gender bias in our society. And lastly, I'm going to talk about transformational leadership. The reason why I picked this is because I think this topic is the most suitable one for me. I used to work as a lifeguard, so I know how important team spirit and teamwork are in this generation and in leadership. Leader is a strong role model with high values, and this is the reason why get my education. I want to prepare myself. I want to get knowledge to acknowledge the others. Education is the fundamental and basic step for a successful leader. But to become an effective leader, we have to pay attention to the things and news around us, since leader is the encouragement of innovation and creativity. Due to the cultural difference, people might have a different way to present themselves and to express their feelings, so that leaders have to provide a supportive climate as to listen carefully to the individual needs of the followers. Leader also acts as a advisor and a coach to give advice and opinion and to support their followers. I think this course can really help me to understand the different leadership concepts and theories. And this assignment helped me to put what I have learned in class back into my life It's really practical, useful, and reflective. And these are the things that I wanted to share with you today. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.